Last week, I've watched a complete beginner make $8,000 in affiliate commissions using AI affiliate marketing, while experienced marketers who refuse to adapt are seeing their income drop by 60%. If you're still doing affiliate marketing the old school way, or maybe you're thinking about starting an affiliate marketing business and you're not adopting AI, you're not just losing money, you're becoming obsolete. So today we're going to see 5 important AI pillars. If you implement them as soon as today or this week, you're going to see a drastic change in your revenue. And on the other hand, if you're just someone who is thinking, oh, but affiliate marketing is already dead, you couldn't be further away from the truth. Because yes, affiliate marketing is not so popular nowadays, but that's a good thing, because the revenue of affiliate marketing is growing, but the interest is going down because a lot of people are quitting. That means we have more market. You and I, the affiliate marketers, we have less competition. So that's a good thing. Now, let's see how you can improve and start making money with affiliate marketing using AI in 2025 and above. Before we continue, I want to show you something. This is Profit Avengers, my community on Skool.com. And I'm showing you this not to brag about, but so you can see that we're people that actually do what we preach. We're actually practicing, and we're one of the top in the game. Why top in the game? Because we have members who are $1 million affiliates. So this is a community with not just regular people. We're a group of high-skilled affiliates, only top-notch affiliate marketers. And as you can see here, my team and I, we have winning the Platinum Award from ClickBank every year since 2018. And some of these Platinum Awards are for $1 million plus in affiliate commissions earned, okay? Pillar number 1 is AI advisory. And the AI is going to help you predict markets, niches, interests, and many more. This is how it works. We go to chatgpt.com, and in here, what I'm going to do, I'm not even going to type. I'm actually going to hit the dictate icon, and I'm going to start talking with AI. So, hey, ChatGPT, today you're my affiliate marketing advisor. Your job is to walk me through best affiliate offers, best approaches to promote these affiliate offers, what are the best affiliate networks, and what are the best and optimal ways for more profitability. Now, your job is to advise me on which niches should I focus on, which niches should I avoid, and also I want to know what are the products with the highest margin, what offers or maybe type of products or offers will give me the most amount of money. So that's about it. I'm going to hit enter, and we're going to see the entire text, boom, like this. And so I'm going to literally hit enter one more time, and the AI is becoming your advisor. So literally, you have a person, not person, but artificial person that works with you one-on-one, give you advices, give you predictions, and gives you all kinds of cool stuff that will improve and actually make you more money. So what we have here, best niches right now 2025, niches to avoid, best affiliate networks and platforms, what products make the most money, best promotional approaches, organic, YouTube, TikTok, SEO, paid, profitability maximizers, strategic formulas. Now I can even go further, so I can say, hey, but by the dictate button, I can say, all right, I think I'm going to be using Facebook ads. So let's focus on that, and let's tailor your answers based on Facebook ads approach. I'm going to hit enter. This is how it goes. I'm going to hit enter. All right, got it. Let's laser focus on Facebook ads, affiliate marketing. There we go. So as you can see, AI is becoming my advisor. Pillar number 2, competitor research, because I like to say, and this is my mantra, don't try to reinvent the wheel. Start with something that is already working. In other words, you find what other affiliates like me and some of my members in my community are doing. You have to find what we do and just copy it, duplicate it. Don't copy it word by word, but just change it a little bit, but have it as a framework. So I'm literally going to use the same chat. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to open an agent mode. Okay, this is the agent mode. And I'm going to tell the AI tool the following sentence. Hey ChatGPT, now you're going to be my marketing research agent. We want to find all the competitors for a specific offer. Now I'm going to paste you the offer link. So I want you to research the offer. I want you to find other competitors. I want you to find everything about this specific offer. Boom. So I'm going to hit enter. Now I have here, this is the text. I have here this offer. This is FixD. This is a OBD car reader that helps regular everyday people to fix their cars so they don't get ripped off from the mechanics. Basically, this is a small OBD reader. You plug it into your car and it connects with your phone, and it tells you if you have check engine lights, what it is, so you don't freak out. I used to promote this product heavily. We made well over 6 and 7 figures with this product, with this offer, but it's a very good one because you feel good about promoting it. First of all, it's a good product that helps people, and then you make money by helping people. So that's a pretty good business model if you ask me. This is the landing page. It tells you check engine lights, details, and it's a multi-vehicle control. So basically, if you have BMW or Mercedes-Benz or Toyota or whatever it might be, it connects with your car, and it's very, very useful. All right, so this is the affiliate offer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight this URL, I'm going to copy it, and we're going to go back to ChatGPT, where is the agent mode, and I'm going to paste this URL right here, and I'm going to say here is the URL of the affiliate offer, and paste like that, hit enter. Now what ChatGPT is going to do now with the agent mode is going to open a desktop. It's very interesting. I love this. This is one of the best things that ever happened in the AI era. Look at this. So it now starts finding about FixD app, competitors, automated pro versus FixD, best car health monitor. So I don't know if you're getting the point here, but literally AI is now acting as your advisor and as your agent. You can literally, it's like you're hiring a group of people onboarding in your company to do product research, and then to do advisory and to do more research, niche research, offer research, competitor research. So it's, I mean, that's just mind blowing, and it does everything automatically, and it does it in seconds, maybe minutes. Whereas if you hire a team, they're gonna need maybe a couple of days. It's doing the research, guys. So I'm not gonna wait to do to complete the research, because it's gonna take a couple of minutes, maybe 5, 10. It depends. The longer it takes, the better, because it's going to do more in-depth research. Okay. So we're going to pillar number 3 out of all of these, which is creating a high converting landing pages using Lovable.dev. Why we need a landing page? We need this website, which is, like I said, a kind of a bridge page to pre-sell our traffic, to make them desire the product, to spark curiosity, to spark buyer's intentions. So what I'm going to say here, I'm going to click that, I'm going to allow my microphone, and I'm going to say, hey, I want to create a landing page that is designed for an affiliate marketer, and this landing page is about to, or the purpose of this landing page is to convert visitors into buyers. The product we are selling, or the offer we are selling, is called FixD. This is an OBD reader that plugs into your car and tells you everything about the engine check you have, so you don't get ripped off from the car mechanics. So let's pause this and let's see. There we go. Perfect. Now I have the text. So next thing, I'm going to highlight the URL, copy that, and let's go back here, and I'm going to say here, why I'm typing in caps, here is the website, here's the original website, boom, there we go. And then the only thing you need is just hit enter. That's it. And now Lovable will start building a similar website, which is actually designed for affiliates. In other words, it's designed and optimized for conversions, to make more conversions and to actually bring you more money. This is a very important step, because this step is directly connected to pillar number 5, because pillar number 5 is very interesting if you want to scale your affiliate marketing campaigns or business. And boom, guys, look at this. It created a complete landing page that looks pretty cool, and it has some pretty cool hooks. Never be blindsided by your check engine lights again. So we have hooks. It's written in a very cool marketing way that attracts visitors. See, like, we have graphics, we have everything a landing page needs to have. Coming up to pillar number 4. This is creating a project inside ChatGPT. You can do this by clicking the left sidebar and click the project tab, and then click create a new project. Why this is important? Well, in that project, you can combine everything about a specific or a certain offer. For example, I can name this FixD affiliate offer, okay? And I can click create a new project. But because I already have a project created about FixD, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So I think this is it. So this is the project, affiliate offer FixD. And in here, every chat you start, it remembers it and it puts it into that folder or that project. And what it does, it learns what this offer is about. AI learns everything about the offer, learns everything about you, what are your approaches, your ads, your script writing, and it learns and optimizes, and it gets better and better and better. It's like a student that learns every single day and it gets better by the day. So look at this. In that folder, what I have typed, I have projects, I have chats with the ChatGPT about Facebook video ads, TikTok ad scripts, landing page optimization, ad hooks for FixD, email sequence creation for FixD. So in other words, I'm literally training this to become a super marketer on steroids. This is gonna be ultra duper super marketer on steroids. And every time I start a new chat here, it remembers all the other chats that I have created, and it gives me optimized answers based on what we already have. Now we're coming to pillar number 5. This is A/B split testing. Why this is important? I like to say who tests the most is the one who wins the most. Who tests the most is the one who gets the most amount, conversions and commissions. Why is that? Because you never know what is going to work. Even if you think you have the best landing page or the best offer or the best ads or the best images, you don't know if people are going to like it or not. So back in the day, it used to take me days to create a new landing page with new sales copy and test it. Nowadays, you have Lovable and ChatGPT. So what my students are doing, they're testing multiple different landing pages and angles, sales proposition angles, every single day. With AI, you can create a new landing page as you saw, in a couple of seconds, maybe a minute or two. But this is essential because you can split test 5, 10, 15 different landing pages in 1 week. And even if the percentage of your revenue or commissions changes by like 3 to 5%, that's still significant. If you're running multiple offers, 5% in 10 offers, this is 50%, right? So if let's say you're promoting 10 different affiliate offers and you increase the revenue with 5%, that's 50% increase across all of your campaigns. That's why this is essential. And by the way, give the thumbs up of the video if you like the information. Subscribe to the channel for more information like this one. That's about it. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers. I hope I helped. And let me know in the comments below if you're going to use any of these tactics. Cheers.